can take convicted criminals to go and kill people outside and return them into prison because they will not be suspect. If you doubt, look at the so-called killers of Senzo Meyiwa. When Senzo Meyiwa was killed, those people were in prison. How did they kill Senzo Meyiwa? It is because the correctional service is corrupt.
After the events of yesterday, the only thoughts in our mind is just Banana Republic, because this country looks like it's going downhill. Now, the manner in which things were done yesterday just screams mafia state, thuggish behavior, and overuse of power. In no way do we say that they are not supposed to arrest the Adv Teffo if he's wrong or if he's been charged for anything. But the way they handled the situation was so bad. But anyway, there are a few people who responded to the matter, including the EFF sending a letter. And then there was also Gerrie Nel who responded to the matter. Unfortunately, when it happened, he was already out of court, so he couldn't actually witness the things himself, but he did respond. The EFF says the conduct of the police is in contempt of court and a disregard of the long overdue justice to the family of the late Bafana Captain Senzo Meyiwa and all the accused. The EFF has always warned against the thuggish conduct of excited law enforcement agencies, whose incompetence and undermining of the sacred human rights in our constitution, including the rights of the accused to dignity, knows no bound. And also Advocate Gerrie Nel of the AfriForum, who's also part of this case, responded to this matter saying the following.
I have no doubt that this conduct will fuel all the conspiracy theories about police protection and complicity in the trial. So, I wasn't in court when it happened. But when people told me, I was absolutely speechless. I could not believe that the police would do.
Now, with all this information that we have seen and the responses, it's clear everyone in South Africa was just surprised about how they conducted their business, how they arrested the Advocate Teffo just in court, and while everyone was not even expecting it. So the thoughts in our mind is just that this is a mafia state, and it looks like people have so much power. We are turning to be like countries like Russia, where everyone is afraid of one man. So it looks like the ruling party is not doing any justice to this country, because each and every day we see a growth in mafias. You do something wrong or you have an information against someone, they can kill you just like that. We've seen it in the past. But what we hope is that Advocate Teffo comes back, he faces the charges that they are putting against him, he wins, and he comes back to continue with this case, because the last thing we want is for him to be sidelined on this case, because he seems like someone who knows more than they want him to dish out. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in, and until next time, cheers.